Hello, everybody. I wanted to give you an update and also offer an invitation in relationship to ARC. ARC is the Alliance for Responsible Citizenship, and it's a relatively new international organization focused on cultural and philosophical issues, focused as well on issues of narrative. We're trying to bring really classical liberals and centrist conservatives together all over the world to lay out something approximating a new and invitational vision of the present and the future. We had our first conference about a year and a half ago. We had 1,500 people at that. That was purely invitational, and it was a high-level success. A lot of art, a lot of music, a lot of great talks. You can find the ARC talks on YouTube if you're inclined. Some of them went viral, at least for talks of their form. We're having another conference February 17th to the 19th in London, where the last one was, London, UK. We have 1,000 tickets available to the general public, and they're now on sale. And so you could come to the ARC conference. If you're interested in participating in the formulation of a new and positive vision of the world, one that involves what are our policy guidelines? Well, an optimistic story, that's one. An optimistic and realistic pro-human story. An emphasis on the provision of cheap energy, an emphasis on environmental stewardship rather than nature worship, rejection of corporate government and media collusion and fascism, a renewed emphasis on the value of the family and of children. Those are some of our cardinal aims, let's say, our cardinal principles. We're going to bring together, I think, the best slate of speakers that's ever been organized for any conference anywhere. I think we already had that in the conference a year and a half ago, but I think we did better this time. And this time we'll have about 4,000 people, so a larger conference, and I think one that'll be more influential. We tried to structure the conference so that everyone we invited is worth listening to. Every speaker we invited is worth listening to, but that everyone who attends is well worth meeting. It'll be a fine place to make new connections, and connections are very valuable as you move through life. I know it'll be exciting and beautiful because I went to the first one and I know how this one is shaping up. So if you go to arcforum.com, you can find the tickets, and I suspect they'll go relatively quickly. So anyways, you're invited to participate if you're inclined to do so. And as a responsible citizen, perhaps, then maybe you're inclined to join the Alliance and to participate in what it is that we're building.